Hi everyone, welcome to AGAA-MATH. This is Rakesh. Today let us see how to make two squares into a single square. Even you can also try before you watch the complete video. Okay. Let us see how do we make two squares into a single square. Okay. First of all, let us bring the square exactly to one of the corner of the square part and just mark here 2 points and just then after keep this here, arrange at the corner. Okay, now using the ruler you just draw a rectangle here with the respective points. Okay, here 2 points with the respective points. After then you draw a diagonal for this rectangle. Draw the diagonal for this rectangle. Okay, see. Okay, now what I do is the same, considering this with the respect to a corner of this smaller square and this intersection point of this vertex, draw another line. Clear? Now this is what we got the figure. Okay, so let this is 1, 2 and 3. Now, with the help of the scissors, let us cut them into pieces. Now, so with the help of scissors, just cut exactly, slowly and perfectly with the respective diagonal. Okay. This is what I made into 2 pieces. Okay, now I am going to cut the part 2. Okay, let's cut this part 2 as we drawn. I'm just arranging the same again to make you understand more easier. Now let us see the next. Take the smaller one, cut along this line drawn. Okay, fine. So I'm just arranging the same again. So here the 2 squares. Okay, now I am going to make the complete square. How can we make the complete square? Okay, after marking and cutting the parts, now I take the first part and rotate it like this. This is how you arrange it. Okay, after that you take the third part, rotate it and arrange it like this. Finally the second part which lies here. Okay, this is as usual. Take the second part from here and rotate it. You can place it here. Now you can see the complete square, a complete square formed. Okay, so you can also keep trying. Also please do subscribe and comment how it is. Thank you and keep watching for more videos.